Greetings, welcome to another edition. Today's a special day because I've got a guest. It's Paddy Detects.
Hello everyone.
And his cameraman is over there somewhere. If you don't already, please have a look at his channel and give him a subscribe because he definitely deserves more.
Thank you.
He's a nice guy and he's become one of my sort of detecting friends and family. So yeah, head on over and give him a subscribe. But today we're on the new permission where I brought Liam. I had a couple of silvers on here. It's tough going, but it's a cool place and it gives them a great taste of the Derbyshire Dales detecting. So yeah,
we're gonna have a good day.
We're gonna have a good day. We'll see you soon.
Come on everyone.
Going straight in with a live dig. Just turn my machine on. Solid 88. It's got to be a crusty copper, hasn't it, Georgian? Oh God, it's cold.
Morning everyone.
It's a big coin.
Big coin.
Right down there. Look at that. Oh, it's a button.
Oh,
You absolute
no.
git. I've had a few of these off here. Big dandy buttons. Cool. There's young Paddy and his dad over there doing bits. This is my next target. I've dug it. It was lovely. Faint 90s. I reckon I've got a coin. Definitely this time. Right down there on its edge. And it's a big old penny. It's exactly what Paddy's just had. George the Sixth. I've just had this up. Big old chunk of lead. I don't know what it is, what it was, but it definitely was something. Andy wants a big hammer today, apparently. Good luck, sir. This cameraman, he's had a couple of coins. This is my next one. Lovely faint 93. I've already opened it up. There's definitely a cheeky little Georgian down there, I reckon. Look at the thickness on that. Yeah, it's going to be a George III, I reckon. I'll clean it up. If there's anything on it, I'll come back to you. Just look how wintry it is. Temperature is about -1. Really cold. This is my next one. Mid-50s. And look, it's my turn to be on the 5p's. Modern 5p, spendable. Paddy thinks he's on a coin spill. A Derbyshire coin spill. And this is mine. 87, in amongst the snow and the dirt. And, oh, it's a button. I got another big dandy button. So I was literally just having a conversation with these two about barrel tap keys. I mentioned a few weeks ago I had a perfect one off here. 2 minutes later, got a lovely signal, opened it up, and I reckon I've got another one. In amongst this little clod.
It's a barrel tap key. Oh,
And it's in really good condition as well. As good as the last one. Next up, medieval horse harness ring, coming in around 83. Good sign, old. Paddy and cameraman. Cameraman's just been up here and had 2 bullets. I had a lovely mid-tone, 82. He said it was going to be a bullet, but no, it's a Queen Victoria halfpenny. I don't know what I'm filming here, I can't see. I'm hoping that you can see young Queen Victoria, bunhead, the date 1860. Cool. I'm feeling just a little bit bad because I've got a flask with hot coffee and them pair haven't got anything, unfortunately. It is fresh. I think they're having a good time though. That is the important thing. Look at the view. We're going wandering to the top. Never ever been up there. And I've just had a lovely 86 and I've got a little silver sixpence. I reckon it's a George V. Little silver sixpence. That will need a soak in lemon juice. 1921. First little bit of silver of the day. Paddy, I had an itty bitty signal here. I've dug about 3 foot down and finally I found it's to be a George III halfpenny. Oh yeah, it's got some thickness to it. Probably a 1799. Oops. That is a big coin. So there he is, George III, facing to the right. Don't know if you can see him. In not too bad condition that for one of those. 1799. Yeah, it's a cool old coin. I like that. Right, let's carry on. There's Paddy and cameraman. Yeah. Winter Wonderland today. Right next to my George III. Solid 86. Look at that. Unbelievably, it's an old quid. What's a quid doing there? Well, I don't mind. I'm happy finding those all day long because that will go to the bank. Yep, let's carry on. We've got some height. Some good views up here. I had a lovely 86.
And it was a hard
Look at that. We've got a little halfpenny in there. Not going to be find of the day, but it's another little coin, isn't it? And proof that there's going to be stuff here. George V. George V halfpenny.
Happy days.
So when I got the signal, I thought it was a bit too big. And in the clod, look at that, we've got coin number 2.
Happy days.
Happy days, it's another halfpenny. But is there any more? I'll make that brew time again. Cheers guys, happy hunting. Are we having a good time? We're definitely having a good time. Well, like I brought Liam here, I brought Paddy here to find spindle whorls, and yet again it's me who's found one, just like I did with Liam. Not the most spectacular one in the world,
Still a spindle whorl, though.
but it's still a spindle whorl. And I said that we would find one today. Well, those pair are finding. Got a lovely, just there, 89. Sounds deep, faint, small, has to be a coin or a button. Well, I've opened it up and unfortunately it's looking like a piece of tat. It's heavy, very heavy. Oh, I don't know what that is. Is it something or is it nothing? Just a bit of, I don't know. I'm unsure. Scrap probably. Oh, bloody bullet. Bloody bullet. People recently have said we don't see the lunches anymore. Well, here we go. We've got ready salted French fries, deep frilled chicken and bacon, Luke Evans, dipped flapjack, and a bar of white chocolate. Job's a good one. It's absolutely freezing. We might have to find a barn. I think it's about to start snowing as well. Well, that was where we've just had lunch. Probably the best spot in the house. Looking out. And he's a long way up as well, we have to use this ladder. So yeah, we're gonna get back on it now, another hour or two, and get some more coins. Well, I'll tell you what, it is really cold. It started snowing now, it's properly snowing. But these guys want to continue, so we've got another hour, maybe 2 hours in these freezing conditions. But yeah, I'm keen. This is what I'm built for, so let's crack on. This small, sharp, 93, 94. Gotta be a little silver on it. Silver. Cameraman's on the silver. No, it's not. It's silver, what do we have? It's in here somewhere. I swear. Oh my god, what is that? It's junk. It's just a bloody loop of copper. For all that. This is going to be my last target. We're evacuating because of the weather. Look at that. 94, 95. Sounds sweet. Very sweet.
Last time what guys? Really snowing.
Are we ending on a big penny? Or a crusty Georgian? Oh, it's a big, I don't know what it is. Big penny, isn't it? Right, let's get out of here before we get snowed in. Well, we're going to call it a day for now because the weather is treacherous. It's absolutely chucking it down with snow. Our cars are on a track that we don't even know if we can get back down, but we've had a really good time, found loads of stuff between us. Hope you've enjoyed yourself in the snow and in the Derbyshire Dales. Again, go and look at his channel, subscribe, he deserves it. And yeah, we'll meet up again another time and do some more detecting, perhaps on your roaming fields.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.
See you soon. Bye everyone.
Hold on, ready? Go on. Go on. Can't even move. Yeah, go on, try again. Ready? Oh my god. We should have caught this earlier. This is going to be risque getting down this track. Oh, I tell you what. That was sketchy. I'm still not down yet. But bloody hell, if we stopped at Unearthing, I'd have been camping up here back in the car. I'm still not really confident we're going to make it down here. I don't like driving this track. At best of times, it's on the side of my car, that's for sure. There are people out there who've been sending me money via PayPal, and I'm so grateful. It's been so useful to me. So if anyone else wants to support the channel, you can go to my homepage and click here, buy me a coffee. Any money that comes in this way will go straight back into the channel, whether it's for recording equipment, t-shirts, other stuff like that. I'm so grateful for everybody's support, so thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.